Hello again, we are in Build-A-Bow, as you can see. This thing makes you smaller. It's 6 of 'em poles and 1 chair on top and a lever. When you get to the top, delete the seat and place glue, but I like to call it butter. And there you go, you became small. I've been working on this. It's called Mansion. It's in work in progress. I'll show you around. I didn't have the right tools, so I used balloons. It's funny. Here's a gold grinder. I bet you've already seen this. It's for any kind of block. Then put it like a plus sign. Then put like a sushi in the middle. I made it sound weird, did I? Anywho. Put glue, aka butter. Then launch and make it to the end. Click the glue, aka butter. Go to the treasure then. Boom. You win. That's it. See you guys later.